Here's the thing, though, I don't see any widespread rain anytime soon. And speaking of rain, with the impact day coming, take a look behind me. If we keep a look at here maybe long enough, we can catch quite the lightning show that's going on. Well, didn't catch it here, so I'll show it to you right now. WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar. This is why we've got 10% chances of rain in, folks. It's even to the nighttime hours, situations like this can happen. We've got storms as you head down Grand Isle Way, Port Fourchon, and outside of Boothville. Really, those are the last of populated areas, finding some showers here this evening. But it's been a record day. We got record heat. We got to talk tropics, too. 98 was the record-breaking temp of 97 just last year in 2023. But tomorrow with another heat advisory. This is 12 days in a row of heat alerts. Breaks last year's consecutive record of 11 days heat alerts, a heat advisory or excessive heat warning. Real-time temps got some 70s North Shore. Now mark that, but still 90 Galliano, Lakefront, and 89 right here officially. And it still feels like it's, well, into the mid-90s many cases. But coming up, we aren't looking at records coming the next few days. Close tomorrow, then we're a ways away. But you can see impact days. Originally, we might have hit 100-degree temps. We haven't seen those. Don't think we will. So let's go impact with 2 more days at least for heat alerts. But then just dropping in a little drier air to drop us just below heat advisory criteria. That feels like of 108. Debbie, now tropical depression. Still, it's a tornado threat. Core of the heat that's just west of us, but enough of it, the piece of it, to give us all this heat. And the same thing tomorrow morning. A little bit drier air to 73 in some areas to the North Shore, and even maybe some 75s Galliano to Houma. Tomorrow, there's again the 10% chance of an isolated shower or storm, but for the most part, it's about the heat yet again. I got 97, got 98 in Slidell. I got feels like 108, 109, 110, 11, 12. Another heat advisory 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. And again, be careful, hottest part of the day. Get into the weekend. I still think we're fine in the heat. 10% chance an isolated storm likely around the coast, but again, it's hard pressed to stretch the chances up beyond that. 97 for the high. Still think South Shore at least has a heat advisory, but a little drier air. Dew points maybe 70s, some 60s coming in. Sunday's top temps, no change in the actual heat. 95, 96, 97, 98, but you start to see a little drier air coming in. So maybe to me, I think that we could see a take back in some of the heat advisories, especially for the North Shore getting into the weekend. So a little break there. South Shore, we may not get it. But also with that little break in the dry air that comes in, well, that's an effective front. We work in more humidity, and that will bring in at least a slight chance of some storms. But remember, I said I didn't see a likely widespread chance of storms coming our way. This was the updated, or this was the forecast from National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration in the hurricane season. Check out these 2 numbers. They've bumped them up just a bit here with our August 8th forecast, still expecting an active season. You know, we're not even close to the peak just yet. No formation in the Gulf expected. Now, Debbie, tropical depression, already showed this. Still, unfortunately, a tornado threat up the 95 corridor to the mid-Atlantic and New England states. But we go into the greater Atlantic, and there's that 50% chance of possible tropical development with the tropical wave that still has a ways to go. Some of our best forecast data do show, though, as we get into next week, gets caught up possibly that Bermuda high, that would take it out to sea. There's some indications, maybe it's a little farther south track, but most of the data keeping it away. 7-day forecast, we've got impact days for the heat to continue. We'll see if we have to add more impact days for more heat, because there really is no break, especially for the South Shore.